What's up, guys? Today we're playing Pet Simulator X. Part 2 of the update. Oh yeah, I have no pets equipped. Yeah, I got these cool pets from Fusing. Yes, Fusing. Yes, Fusing. And I got weaker.
Stop lying. Come on, to that eye.
You're frozen, bro. By the way, yeah, we are playing Pet Simulator X, but let's watch my intro. This is my new intro. Isn't that cool? I kind of changed it for a reason. But this video is actually teaching how to make an intro. So to make an intro for your channel or a gaming channel or any channel, you go to my link in my description of the channel I upload my intro, or just go to https://android.com/ Then you pick your intro. Like I go here. Maybe if I want maybe like this intro. You click open in clipboard. Oh, it's loading. Guys, it's loading. Loading. Yeah, and this is what you'll see. You'll see the intro. There's, first, you have to click the hollow cube in here, which says objects. So you click it, and there's a text, and you'll edit that text to name your channel. But I'm gonna go to your YouTube. I'm gonna be adding my channel name to mine, and you do yours too. Whoa, that actually is large. So I'll add another one. There you go. Whoa, this is kind of squish. Oh, hold up.
I made a house.
What house?
Oh, come on. Why did that pop out? Game. There you go. Now it's perfect. So once you do that, you go to download, which is this arrow pointed to that line. So I recommend you put it on fastest render. And this one, WebMVP8 Obis. Then you start your video render, and then you need to wait for it will be that much that it will be that long if it will show the time left will be here where my mouse is at. So 3 minutes. And I'll see you later. And by the way, once it was done, you said finish edit. There's an option finish editing or download your video. If you wanna edit more, you can press finish editing. But if you're done already, press download video. Okay. While we wait, watching my intro. Okay, back.
Dad, look. Big house. I forgot to make material. Now it's good ice cream.
So you can cancel your render if you want, but I recommend you to not do it. Only if you forgot to edit something and you don't want to do it after. That's what you can do. Most times you should do it when you should use it. You mostly should use it, cancel the render when it's it's like the time left is short, like the whole time is short. So dang it, one of my friends are calling. This intro is so good. I still have my old intro. I still have my intro. My old one. This is my old one. I decided to change it though, due to and there wasn't really that much colors in one time, so I like the music, but overall not good. What's taking so long? Guys, let me know what intro you like. This one is my most popular video, Tennis Simulator. I think kids really like watching it.
I don't like.
Shut! By the way, here's my just a few more seconds. A few seconds. Okay, then you could return to editing, but you click download your video. Then it should go to your files right here. But I am not going to show you because I might not. You might see my files. So guys, I think I'll end the video here. If you guys enjoy, smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.